Hey everybody, thanks for your purchase of the dashboard shortcut bench. In this video, I just want to show my recommended method for opening the legs and standing it up and then closing them again. So I find that it's helpful to stand behind the bench and just lean it against my knees to get started. The first thing we're going to do is take out these small knobs that we use to connect the legs to each other for transport. So just unscrew those, hold on to them. Now this leg just swings open, okay? Just transfer the knobs. And now over here, we're going to take the leg locks and open them, and then loosen the leg brace knobs, just about half a turn. There's no need to go farther than that. Grab the leg in the middle, open it up until the leg braces hit those stops. And I am shifting around because the floor is crowned here. Tighten the leg brace knob, and that leg is all set. So now you're going to use this knob through the leg brace into these things we just call the leg blocks. So you might need to use your other arm to move the leg a little bit to get these holes to line up. And so once you've done this once or twice, it will become second nature. But just make sure you get that in the hole, not cross-threaded, and that's all set. I'll do the same thing here. We do use a smaller knob here because of clearance concerns with the underside of the bench top, but it works just great. So that's all set. Now I'll just pick it up. And there it is. Super solid, dashboard style, very rigid, all set for work. Now we'll take a minute to talk about the bench top itself. This is MDF. So in order to keep it clean, protected from a few drops of water or glue spills, I do recommend sealing the top with whatever finish you're comfortable using, by whatever method you're comfortable performing. I did spray this top. And 2 coats I would say is a good minimum. But I also like to use a flat sheen if you can get it in your preferred finish, or not more than a satin, just because if I have sun coming at a low angle, if you use a gloss or semi-gloss, the reflections are just distracting and not helpful. So use a low sheen finish if you can. So now let's just close it up and we can take off. So once again, just set it down on the side, lean it against me again, and I'll just take these knobs out. And grab that one. Now you'll bring the leg braces up, kind of just sort of parallel with the leg. They'll take care of themselves in a moment. Now we'll just loosen these leg brace knobs again, just about half a turn. Push the leg in the middle. It closes. Now I'll get the leg locks again, just like so. Now we tighten the leg brace knobs. And then we'll fold over the top leg. See, the leg braces take care of themselves. Now we're going to just pop these knobs back through the top leg into the rivet nut in the bottom leg. In some cases, you might need to push the top leg a little bit in one direction or another, which is just an effect of these being formed parts, and sometimes the forming is more perfect or less perfect, so they might line up a little better in some cases than others. But it's easy to do, and as you can see, we're all set now. And so you can carry this away just like a briefcase. You can carry it like this. You can carry it like this. You can carry it like this. It's nice and light and handy and very portable. Thanks for watching.